So I'll take the control. Can you please accept? Ritesh, can you please accept? Okay. These two are the softwares, right? So this is for Java and this is for Eclipse. Okay. Now I'll install JDK. JDK in the sense Java Development Kit. I think it is very slow. It will open this version JDK installation. Okay. So already installed చేసావా రుతేష్ నువ్వు? Hello. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావా?
నేను చేశాను కదా.
ఓకే. ఎవరైనా ఇంకా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయకుండా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయకుండా జస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? కెన్ యూ బి
లేదు ఇచ్చేసిన ఎంత నాటినావా అయితే మొత్తం భలే సైజ్ వచ్చింది.
ధనంజయ, కెన్ యూ బి కెన్ యూ మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్? ఎవరైనా ఇంకా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయకుండా జస్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? సో ఐ థింక్ చరణ్ ఆర్ మహేష్ ఎవరో చెప్పారు ఇంకా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయలేదు అనేసి.
బ్రో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను బ్రో నేను.
Okay.
Bro, I have downloaded, but Java is installed. The Eclipse Java is not installed yet.
Okay, Java you already installed.
Yeah. On the first day only, I have downloaded the Java and installed.
Okay,
but
that's
I
fine.
don't know the second one.
That's fine. I think if you all guys know about how to install the Java, that's okay. I mean, it's a double click next and finish only.
Yeah, it's showing 1.8 point something version.
Yeah, 1.8. And
yeah.
Ritesh, can you accept my request? So I'll check the version. Very slow. I think internet problem ఉన్నట్టుంది Ritesh. So anybody, I think Charan, no share చేయ ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్. ఈ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎవరి దగ్గరైనా బాగుంటే వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేయండి. నువ్వు స్టాప్ చేసి Ritesh sharing.
It is asking for another one to stop that one.
ఇప్పుడు చెయ్యి. So request accepting.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Now let's see.
Well, I have to mute 1 sec.
In the command prompt, let's see the Java C. Nothing. So it is there. Java is downloaded, but Java compiler is not it.
Yeah.
So
I have downloaded the Node++ also, but I didn't done that one.
yeah, okay. So where is that? It's in C drive.
Downloads.
That's fine. No need of .exe file now. You already installed, right?
Okay.
So it will be there in the program files. Java. In C drive, program files, Java. So this is the location. So JDK is downloaded and JRE also downloaded. So we need to set up both in the system path. So this is, just remember these steps. We need to set up the system path. Right click on the PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Click on environment variables. I couldn't able to click. Okay.
There.
Now, I think add a new path.
I think this will be able to do myself only.
You can able to do, but first I will tell. I couldn't able to select.
Which one?
Path,
right? Okay.
This one.
New.
Below path, system variables path.
Okay.
Edit.
The new one.
Edit.
Okay. Again.
Select the path from here. In File Explorer, go to File Explorer.
Browse.
No. Here, down. File Explorer. In the menu bar. Here, Eclipse, everything.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
There.
Go to JDK. Instead of JDK 1.8.0.
Okay.
Go to bin. Yeah, copy the path above.
Entire one.
No, this path. This PC was, that one. Copy that, select and copy. Control A, Control
Okay.
copy.
Yeah.
Come to path.
Control C, right? Copy.
Copy. Now come to environmental variables. Next one.
There.
New
one.
Paste it.
Okay.
And okay. And in system variables also add a new. New. Value, just paste it. Variable value is a copied one.
Okay.
And
name
is Java_home, all capital letters. Underscore, no space. Remove the space.
No space. And that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. And new, type jre_home. Now come to File Explorer again. Don't paste. Come to File Explorer. Go back. No. Go back little. One more. Now go to JRE bin. Copy the path.
In this path.
Paste it. Okay.
Then
Okay.
and this one also.
One second. Mine. Okay, I have added JDK. That's fine. Yeah, you saved it, right? Open environment variable once. Fine.
Yeah, JDK, JRE, both are there.
Better you add Java home to the your mission. I mean user variables for Dell. Same thing. Add it.
Okay.
Copy the
Here.
Java home, not JRE home.
Java home, right?
Java home value. JDK value. Bin.
Here again I should type Java home.
Java home. Java_home.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
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 And again.
Final okay. The below.
Done.
Okay, here also. Now open another window of command prompt. Close the command prompt.
Command prompt.
Command prompt. Black one. Yep. Close it.
Okay.
Open it again.
Done.
Now type JavaC.
JavaC.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, now it is there. So this is how we should add JDK and JRE to the system variables and as well as to the
Okay.
So
on the first day you showed me this one. This is the thing, right?
this is the thing. So now I'll tell you. So everybody will go, do this process and Eclipse, okay? And Eclipse, for the Eclipse, okay, close this one, command prompt.
Then
Yeah, go to downloads.
I'll show you where this one downloaded. Yeah, this is the Eclipse.
1 second, it is not yet loaded. Here, extract it. Right click.
Extract files or open with WinR.
Extract to Eclipse JE 2020. That one. See, Eclipse is not a installable software. So it's not installable. Java is installable. So if you install the Java, there will be some installation happened and it's stored in the C drive, the installation part, but it is not installable software. So how we will, it's a runnable, that's directly runnable software. It will not install anywhere. If you install any software, you can see it in the control panel, all applications, right? In the all applications, you can see the list of applications you installed in the laptop. But Eclipse is not installable. Click on second one, file. Hello. Yeah.
Configuration.
No. From last third one. Yeah. Double click. It will automatically run. That's it. Yeah, it will double click. It will automatically run. Automatically open the Eclipse application. So it's not an installable one. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So every time we have to open it like this.
Yeah. You can pin it. You can pin it to menu, taskbar or menu bar, whatever it you call. So right click on the Eclipse here in the below. File Explorer, Chrome, everything is there, right? No. Downside. Right click on that. Yep, right click. Pin to taskbar. The taskbar. So it will be there here only. If you close also. Now directly you can open it from here. 1 second. You can choose your workspace. So Eclipse is basically requires a one workspace. So workspace in the sense one folder. Okay, dedicated folder. So that will be the workspace for Eclipse. So it will all create a project whenever you create a project of Eclipse. So it will choose, it will use that workspace. So it will create the project inside of a selected workspace. It will do all operations in the selected workspace. So you have to select one workspace like, okay, by default, it will take C users Eclipse workspace. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. If you wanted to change it to the D drive, that is also fine. You can change it. Browse.
There is enough space.
Yeah, browse. That's fine. Browse. Second, let it open. Go to D drive. DRE, anything, wherever you're comfortable. Yeah, click right click here.
Yeah.
No. Inside of E drive. Yeah, right click there. Or else there is a new folder. Okay, new folder. You create as a workspace. Yeah, select folder. Yeah, that is fine. Select folder. See, it chooses as a E workspace. Now your programs all will store inside of under E drive.
The workspace only.
Yeah, launch it. So now you go to E and workspace. So it will create some files, .metadata or something. So it will be, so that means Eclipse is handling this file, this folder. This requires some setup in this workspace.
Okay.
So Eclipse will create automatically .metadata and it will make this as a suitable for that, comfortable for Eclipse. Let it open. So this is how we should install. No, not install. This is how we should run the Eclipse. It's easy. First few days we will do some programs in the text pad. Notepad++ only. So we will get some confidence in the syntaxes. In Eclipse, it will directly show. If you do any mistake in the Eclipse, syntax wise, so it will automatically show. Instantly it will show. Okay, there is a mistake. That means it's auto compile for each and every edit, for for each and every change, it will automatically compile. So you no need to do the Java C space file name.java every time.
Okay.
So that's why Eclipse is little faster if you are very confident and okay, now if you wanted to do faster development, so you will use the Eclipse. But if you use the Notepad++ for some time, it's a very first time, right? So you will get some confidence on the syntax part. Okay, now maximize this, maximize. Yeah, and welcome, you can close it. Left side, it is a one tab open, welcome. You can close that. So left side, you can create a project and you can do something, blah, blah, blah. And donate also, you can close it.
Can donate.
Yeah. So we will see from a few days later on the Eclipse how to create a project and how to create a classes and how it will compile. I will show you later. Okay, now just leave it. Eclipse we will use after some days. Okay. Can you stop share, Sharon?
Yeah.
Everybody understood this part. So if you guys any doubt or doing parallelly, so let me know if you're stuck anywhere. Installation part of Java, setting the path, cherry path and JDK path to system variables. Anybody has any questions? Else we will move. Okay, I'll take this as no questions. I'll share my screen. So I told yesterday this is a program, so we will just blindly do this. So now, even now also, so you have to remember, we will only write the classes. We will only write the logic. We will only write the logic. I mean, if you wanted to create any logic, you should need a class. At least we should need a one class. So we have to create a class like this. The syntax is public space class space class name and open bracket and close bracket. So this is how. So you have to remember this one. So this is a syntax we need to follow for to create a class. So when you create a class, you have to give a class name as first letter as a capital letter. It's a must and should. First letter as a capital letter. And now class got created. So it should be this way. It should be this way. Public class name, open bracket, close bracket. So that means class got created. If you wanted to write anything inside of a class, you have to write in between these curly braces. So expand, just write whatever you want. You have to write here. Now we need a main method. As I told, GRE will execute only the main method. It will not care about anything. It will directly go the main method. It will execute that main method. Okay. So we have to create a main method. What is a method? And I will tell you once methods are come. Once methods come, I think methods here. But just remember, by that time you will get to know already what is methods also. Just remember, oh, this is a method. That's it. And we will get to know how to create a method and what is a meaning of this one, what is the meaning of this one, what is the meaning of this and this. This is the name of a method. Okay. It should be constant. So it's already defined. So main method should be there in the Java. Okay. In each and every class. Okay. This is the statements I kept inside. I mean, so main method also got created. Now I have a main method inside of my hello world class. So, okay, properly I have written. So this is a common statements in each and every class you should follow. If you wanted to create a one more class, create a same way, change the class name. It will work. So these are all the common statements you should follow. And whatever you wanted to keep inside of a main method, you have to keep in between these two curly braces. The same rule apply as class. So now you have to write in between these lines. I mean, in between these curly brackets of a main method. So write something. As of now, I didn't say it about. I didn't said about variables. I couldn't able to initialize the variables, because if I tell, you will not understand. Let's system system.out.println. We will use this for only printing purpose. You can use it like this, hello world, and you have to save it, because you have to save it at by your time after each and every change. Now I have a class. Inside of a class, I have a method with with the name of main, and the system.out.println is the one statement which is there in the main method. If I execute, Java will JRE will not JRE, JVM will directly come inside of a main method. It will execute blindly. It will execute each and every line. So this is a process which JRE will take care. I mean, compiler, and after that JRE will take care about. Yesterday, I think I have missed out one thing. So compiler will compile the program, and it will create a dot class file. So it will convert the English language to the bytecode language, right? Yeah, it will create a dot class file. It will contain only the bytecodes, and even bytecodes also will not understand JVM by the JVM. JVM, I told you internally, JIT is a compiler which is there in the JVM. JIT in the sense JIT, just in time compiler. That compiler will internally compiles the bytecode, whatever the bytecode is generated by the compiler. That bytecode will compiled again by the JIT. It will change it to the mission understandable language, JVM understandable language. So that mission understandable, code will be get executed by the JVM, and will give the response. Okay, now save it. Come to command prompt. So this is in okay, this is in sample, under sample. Compile. What is a command for compile? So I have compiled this one. Check the dot class file is created or not. Dot class file got created. I mean, it's already created yesterday, so it is updated now. 8.5 today. Come here. Execute. For execute, what is the command? Java space hello world. So it is printed. Whatever the output it will give, it will print it in the desktop. So this is how, any doubt, still stuck in somewhere to understand how to create a class and how to create a method. But what is a method and how to create a method, just remember blindly. So we will get to know once a concept came. So this is how, this is how we should create a class and method, main method class. So anybody has any question in the syntax part? So this curly braces, we should సో బాలు క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు, స్ట్రింగ్ ఆర్క్స్ అని ఉంది కదా, అది ఎందుకు స్ట్రింగ్ ఆర్క్స్ అని రాస్తాము, ఆర్క్స్ స్ట్రింగ్ అని ఎందుకు రాయకూడదు అని అడిగాడు. సో వీ విల్ గెట్ టు నో వన్స్ వేరియబుల్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ డన్, వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ అరేస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అన్ అరే, ఇట్స్ అ స్ట్రింగ్ అరే. సో వన్స్ వీ విల్ గెట్ టు నో, once variables and the arrays concepts done, why we will write like this. This is the syntax. So next part only, the next part of codes is the variables. data types with the variables is the variables only here. So just remember the curly braces, how we will make the curly braces. You can write like this also, down way, the down line. You can write like this also. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can write like this. Class, create a class, open curly brace and close curly braces, and create a method, open and close. Whatever you write in the main method, it should be inside of this curly braces only. And for each statement in the normal statements, not methods, class creations, for each statements, it should end up with a semicolon. Else it will give an error. This is a rule by the Java. So you have to keep a semicolon for each and every line, end of the line. Okay, this is some small program like hello world program. Anybody has any doubt like in syntax wise? I think time is also left. Only 1 minute. We will connect again. So I will end the meeting and join again, please. So less than 1 minute.